Cutie Pie's head is down by your cervix. There's a heart beating.
Do you mind if we turn the monitor just a little
Sure.
bit? Thanks. Cool.
There's a heart beating.
Wow. Fast little
Stomach.
heartbeat.
Core.
Oh, yeah.
In between those legs.
Move around, mister, or little girl.
Oh, look at Mister.
It's a
Nice
mister.
little boy.
It's a.
Oh my gosh!
It's a little Mister.
Oh.
There's the penis, right?
Oh, you can
Alright.
see
Wow,
it.
it's big.
It's right there.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's so funny. So that's his little legs and butt
All
right there,
right.
right?
It's his little legs.
Oh, look at
butt.
his little tush. That's so
Oh.
funny.
All right.
Oh my
This is-
gosh, babe.
This is great.
We're having a boy.
Yeah.
Wow.
Isn't that amazing?
Oh my gosh. My mom is going to be so excited.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a
My mom's gonna say, "Good, exactly what you deserve."
Another mini you.
That's right. There it is.
Oh,
Wow.
babe.
Very clear.
Wow. That's a peepee if I've ever seen one.
Yeah.
Oh my
It's a boy.
goodness.
That's cute.
Wow.
Oh my
Oh.
gosh.
Wild, huh?
Wild.
Did you have any idea?
No. So
No
many.
dreams? No.
I kind of thought it might be a girl just because, like, my whole family has all girls.
Right.
And, you know, I don't know. I just kind of figured we have, like, one boy in our family, so this is going to
I'll
be
tell you,
really
honest-
amazing. This will be
Even out
boy
the
number
playing
2.
field, right?
What's that?
They got even out the playing field.
Yeah,
now.
exactly.
Playing the field? No, I'm spoken for. No, but I kept seeing signs all the time about like girl this, girl that, you know?
So you actually thought girl?
Well,
Oh,
I
yeah.
didn't want to think anything. I wanted to be
Right.
open-minded, but you know, you're walking past something, a little girl, you know what I mean?
Right.
Girls
And
were
pink
everywhere,
kept
yeah.
coming up, and wow.
Wow.
But no, I didn't want to
boy.
have expectations
That
so
is
much,
so
you know.
Crazy.
I was leaning towards a boy, but that I didn't want to be. Wow.
Look
at his-
underneath the baby's tush. I'm looking at the
Oh my
baby's
gosh.
bladder now.
It's inside of me.
Right. No, it's amazing because we don't, you know, I think too we don't want to. We on there.
Whoa.
Where is he?
That is absolutely insane. Say
I think
hi,
there's-
baby. Hi. Wake up.
On there.
Whoa.
Where is he?
That is absolutely insane. Say
I think
hi,
there's-
baby. Hi. Wake up. He doesn't want to move, huh?
Mm-mm.
Stubborn like Dad. I'm gonna have my hands full.
Okay, this is the last measurement here.
Sure.
Okay, so if you look at your numbers, look at your numbers there. You're 16 weeks, and your baby's measuring 16 weeks, so you're pretty much right on target.